Hello everyone. So today's topic for discussion is Einstein's photoelectric effect. What is this effect actually? So Einstein was very keen about to know the behavior of the metal with your light energy. Okay. So what he has done, he has taken a gold foil like this. Okay. And suppose that this is all covered with electrons that are bounded with your positive nucleus. Okay. So like these are electrons on the upper surface. Okay. So what happened that Einstein told that the light energy which falls on this gold foil like this contain what? It contains a dual nature, not a particle, not a wave, but it has a both natures. So he has just confirmed here the particle nature. So he was talking about the particle nature of light. So he told that light is made up of what? Photons. These are what? Packets of energy. Packets of energy, massless packets of energy. So if you want to talk about the energy of photons, so these are like given by H equal to E equal to H mu, where H is what? Planck constant, okay, and your mu is the frequency of the light ray falling on the gold foil. Okay, yeah. So basically, he was talking about that when a ray of light, which is containing the packets of small packets of energy that are called what? Photons, and it is accounting for what? It is accounting for the particle nature of light. So when it just collide with the electrons, which are not very tightly bound with the your nucleus, and if you suppose that this has the energy to just come out from the surface, like suppose that this is equal to energy is equal to 3 electron volt, where electron volt is the small, very small, you can say very small unit of energy. Okay, of energy. This is what? An electron volt. One electron volt, you know also that equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. It is a very tiny unit of energy because these are very subatomic particles and they contain a very less amount of energy. Okay, so when it gets some amount of energy like this is the minimum energy to just pluck out these electrons out of the surface of this metal gold. Okay, so if the electron get this minimum amount of E minimum amount of energy, it will be like come out of the surface. Like if it get, it will come out of the surface. If it also get, then it also come out of the surface. Okay, and if the photons are falling with the energy 5 electron volt, so 3 electron volt is the minimum energy to just remove this electron, and after that the energy remaining, that is E remaining, will be what? E remaining will be 5 electron volt was the energy by which the photons were falling on the surface, and minus 3 will be the energy which was taken by the electron to what? Just you can say just withdraw the your minimum amount of energy to come out the surface. So you are remaining with 2 electron volt of kinetic energy of this electrons which are coming out of the surface. So this electron will come out like that, and it has the kinetic energy equal to what? 2 electron volt. Similarly, it has also if no electron will collide in between, it has also kinetic energy equal to 2 electron volt. Okay, so this is the minimum amount of energy to pluck out or remove the electron from this surface of, like, if suppose that if it is the minimum threshold energy, so this will be required to come out the this electron from surface, and this is called what? It is told as, it is given by phi, which is called work function. Okay, work function of this metal. So this is the basic funda behind the photoelectric effect, that whatever energy is falling, just a second, yeah, whatever energy falling is contained by what? It is contained by photon. It will be utilized in two ways. First, it would give the what? Work function. It is utilized in work function plus what? Kinetic energy of the coming out of electrons. And this is called what? Photoelectrons. Okay. So from here we will get the equation as kinetic energy of like photoelectrons will be equal to what? Phi minus E falling. And what is the like energy of photon? I have already told you that is equal to h nu. So phi minus h nu. Okay, where h value is 3.6.62, sorry, 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34. Okay, and you can say that it is the h value of this is called what? Planck constant. Okay, what it called? Planck constant. Yeah, yes. And what is the unit of this? So its unit is energy. Okay, into, like, energy is joule. So I will just remove this. Yes, just a second. I will use some tool. Yes. So it has the unit of joule second. Okay. So this amount of energy is coming of kinetic energy of coming photoelectrons is accounted for this experiment. So I hope you got the idea of what is the basic funda of this photoelectric effect of Einstein experiment. Okay. So thank you for today's lecture and have a great day.